good morning to Mechanical Engineer Mr.Teoh, our Automation Engineer Mr. Wong, and Software Engineer Mr. Cheng.
Good morning.
Okay, let's start our meeting. Recently, we received a project which is by Thai UC, which President of Thai UC would like to increase the university security around the campus. So actually, they conclude out a few problems which is make them concerned about this security problem. The first one is the outsider can simply enter or exit, leading them to have a threat to their safety of students, authorities, and vandalism. The second one will be the blind spot of their current surveillance system. Their current surveillance system is not fully defined and created, which lead them some problem, which they increase their crime rate in the blind spot. The next one will be the Wi-Fi network system. Currently, their Wi-Fi network system is the open network, which is easily leaks out their personal information. So it is not safe in the terms of information security. Now let's come up with some solution so that we can help them to improve their security.
Sir, I might have an idea. I would like to propose the automated security system. First of all, we can implement the automated door lock at the college main gate. Besides, we can also implement this at those places that has valuable assets such as computer lab IBM and engineering lab, so that the lab only can be accessed by their student ID.
Oh, this is a good idea. Recently, I read the newspapers. There has a case robbery case that the lab in the IBM computer has been stolen. This might help to solve their problem in this case.
Oh yeah, I might need some help from Mr. Cheng to help me to set up the database of the security system.
Well, I can help you to design the database structure for your automated security system. However, I would like to get some information from you first, like what kind of data do you want to store in the database?
Thank you, Mr. Cheng. I will pass you the information later. For the mechanical design, I might need some help from Mr. Teoh. He has experience in this.
Well, sure, Mr. Wong. My team and I has the experience for this automated door lock system. I will lend you a hand and pay a visit there for an on-site survey and examine where can the system to be implemented.
Thank you, Mr. Teoh. We will come out with a complete solution in the next meeting.
Alright, please come up with a complete solution and we will discuss in the next meeting. So may I know any one of you has any suggestion in solving the problem of open network in Thai UC's Wi-Fi network?
Yes, I do. Recently, I heard that the open network in Thai UC causes them lost some information to outside. Therefore, I would like to propose an idea which is build a new network which is private that only allow the student and the lecturer to access to the network with their ID only.
Seems like this is a good solution. Please do some research and come out a complete solution so that we can discuss in the next meeting.
Yes, I will do it soon.
So any other suggestion for this project?
Yes, Mr. Wong. Regarding to the poor surveillance system, which from the mapping that our client sent to us, I might able to improve their surveillance system. Since I'm going to have an on-site survey there, I will have a look on their current surveillance system and I will do some study regarding to their current surveillance system. I will propose a better solution for their system once the on-site survey is done.
Alright, Mr. Teoh, please go for site visit as soon as possible so that you can come up with a complete solution for this surveillance system.
Understand?
Alright, any other suggestion for this project?
No.
Seems like 3 solutions should be enough for me to come up with the proposal and integrate them into one system. So let's conclude for these 3 solutions. The first solution will be the automated security system. The second solution will be the private network design. And the third solution will be the new surveillance system.
Yes.
Alright, each engineer please go to make their own proposal and propose it in the next meeting.
Sure.
Understand?
Okay. Any other things to be discussed?
No.
Seems like nothing to be discussed. So let's end this meeting. So thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Alright, good morning everyone. Let's start our second meeting. So from the previous meeting, we have proposed out 3 solutions for this project. So the first solution will be the automated security system, the second will be the private network design, and the third solution will be the surveillance system. So let's discuss each of the solutions so that we can combine all the solutions into one system, and then we propose to TAUC. So let's discuss each solution in detail. So Mr. Teoh, how is your site visiting?
Yes, Mr. Wong. For what I saw when having on-site survey, the only automated security system is the RFID tag system which located at the architecture lab and the computer lab. As for the surveillance system, I found out that the CCTV that TAUC is using are the box style, which normally used in outdoor environmental housings or for indoor mounting. Or as well, their location are having serious and various or blind spots which anyone can pass or hide. The CCTV that they install at are the corner at the pathway between foundation block to canteen, junction at the pathway outside the computer lab, car park area near the bursary block, and all the entry gates of the campus.
Alright, seems that the surveillance system in TAUC is quite poor. Any solution for this problem?
My solution is to use the bullet type closed circuit television, which commonly includes the IR elementers. Sealed enclosure decreases need for servicing and small footprint. As the day-night type security that has an IR filter for the handling of both day and night-time lighting situations. While for the new installing locations, a site where the old surveillance system located, some of the staircases, corners, as well the places where has the tree covered shall be installed so that all the blind spot can be eliminated. Since the campus area is large, the surveillance monitoring sites are advised to place either at all the faculties block here, 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 and here, so that the monitoring or inspecting is easier, or the site building for centralized monitoring.
Sorry, Mr. Wong, may I interrupt for a moment?
Yes, please.
To be honest, I have an idea in this new surveillance system. The idea of mine is to add in the facial recognition technology into our new surveillance system.
Well, if you are going to use the facial recognition, the pixels of the surveillance camera must be high enough so that the image can be processed smoothly.
Besides, the facial recognition is still in infant state. The internet technology still is not mature enough to cover the whole campus.
However, if we are able to integrate the facial recognition technology into our surveillance system, we might be able to earn a lump sum of money, which this will benefit our company.
Well, I have to say, if you are going to use this facial recognition, the project will cost more. Since TAUC is a non-profit organization, I'm not sure whether they're willing to invest on this project.
Alright everyone, seems like facial recognition is a good solution. Maybe Mr. Cheng can go on to make a research, see whether this solution may be solved and come up with the best solution to implement this facial recognition into this surveillance system.
Alright, I will do the research on this as soon as possible.
Alright, let's proceed to our next solution. So Mr. Cheng, how is the network design?
For the network design, I already have a solution to build out a new private network in TAUC. For further detailed information, I have already sent an email to you, every one of you. Please take a look in your email. Besides that, I also found out that the Wi-Fi connection in TAUC are poor, which this made me wanted to add more access points in TAUC. This able to improve the TAUC Wi-Fi connection.
Alright Mr. Cheng, I will have a look at the solution after this meeting. So let's proceed to the next solution. So Mr. Ng, how is your automated security system?
Mr. Wong, for the automated security system, I propose to use RFID technology. When people entering the TAUC campus, they needed to scan their RFID tag. It will record the information of that people into the database, so tracking can be done. By the way, what is the progress of the database, Mr. Cheng?
For the database design, I already done the design of the database structure based on the information that you have been given to me last week. However, the type of database that TiUC currently using are the old type server database. Therefore, I would like to change the old type server database to the new cloud storage that most of the company are currently using. With this, the cloud computing technology will be using as well. Now, the database also are able to transfer to the cloud via internet.
Well done, Mr. Cheng. Thank you for your helping. Mr. Wong, this is all about the automated security system.
For this automated security system, I feel like this system is too common, as this system actually is very wide used in Malaysia's university campus. So maybe we can add some special into this system. So maybe we can implement artificial intelligence into this system. So there's a lot of field inside artificial intelligence. Maybe you can try out on artificial neural network. One of the artificial neural network known as convolutional neural network, CNN, might be able to help you to improve your technology in RFID technology. So maybe RFID technology may be help in their processing. Convolutional neural network actually act like a human brain. He able to design out the neurons and then link up together so they act like a brain to process everything. So maybe your RFID technology can implement this neural CNN network so that you can help RFID to process all the data, sync with the database, and then process in a faster manner. This is actually one type of machine learning. So maybe you can make some research on this.
Sounds good. The neural network not only can improve the RFID processing speed, it also can improve the automated security system efficiency. So I will go through a deep research on the neural network so we can implement this in our system.
Okay, Mr. Ng, so you may get some help from Mr. Cheng as he has some experience in researching the artificial neural network.
Alright, I will get some help from Mr. Cheng so we can implement the artificial neural network into the automated security system.
So basically, this project should be able to work. Please submit the proposal of each of the solutions to me as soon as possible so that I can integrate all these solutions into one system. Besides that, I would like to ask all of you, for each of the solutions, do you all have a rough estimate of the solution?
Well, for the budget part, I couldn't give you the exact amount. However, roughly the budget for my part will be about 10K. This included the software, database, and network development in this project. If facial recognition is included in this project as well, I would say that the budget will be about 50K.
Well, as for my hardware part, for the bullet type CCTV, it will cost 70 ringgit Malaysia for one. As for the day-night type, it will cost 90 ringgit Malaysia for one. Since the total mark area that I showed you all has total 35 sites, so if you are going to use the bullet type, it will cost total 2,450 ringgit Malaysia. As for the, if you are going to use the day-night type, it will cost 3,150 ringgit Malaysia. For the wiring configuration, it will be estimated around 700 to 1K for total. While for the monitoring side, if you are going to implement it, it will be around 25K to 30K based on the number of the facilities we are going to implement it. Based on Mr. Cheng suggested, if you are really going to use the facial recognition, the estimation of the budget will need to be increased around 30%. Yeah, 30%.
Currently, the budgeting for the automated security system is estimated around 30K, which haven't implemented the artificial neural network yet. If we implement the neural network, the budget will increase. Since the currently used RFID tag in TiUC may not support the neural network.
Alright, the budget seems okay, so I will combine all the solutions and then integrate it into one system before I propose to TiUC. So after integrating, I will come out with a black and white and distribute all this into for you all. So please study it and see whether any mistake did I make. So after that we will discuss this in the next meeting. So I think that's all for this meeting. Anything else to be discussed?
Yes, Mr. Wong. Actually, I have met Mr. Ng and I have discussed with him the design that I've really done. So I will upload and share to everyone through the email.
Alright, okay. Please upload soon because I need to do the integrate solution. Okay.
Listen.
So anything else?
No.
No.
Okay, I think that's all for this meeting.